Like we saw group dance, Mohiniyattam Gandu, namla group Bharatnatyam Gandu, solo Bharatnatyam Gandu. Namukini oru semi-classical performance kandalo. What do you say? Something which is classical, but okay, semi-classical by the name itself, right? So next up we have a semi-classical dance choreography which often blends with traditional footwork, hand movements, gestures which are known as mudras, and postures with modern elements, making it accessible and appealing to a wider audience. Semi-classical dance serves as a bridge between rich cultural heritage of Indian classical dance and more modern, innovative expressions of movements. Today we have a fusion of Pranavalaya on Devi, Chandrachuda, on Shiva and Varaha Rupam of Daiva of the coastal region. Can we please have all our performers on the stage? Please give it up for them.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणांबुरासी धीं तारा जतुलतो विनोदिनी भुवन पालिनी वे अनाथ रक्षणनी विधि कादटे गुरविनी चेरवटे
चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणय निनगे नमो नमो चंद्रचूड शिवशंकर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो सुंदरकर विरागधर सुंदरकर विराग धर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबर वराहरूपं देववरीतं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् ಶಿವಸಂಭೂತ ಭುವಿ ಸಂಜಾತ ನಂಬಿದವಗಿಂಬು ಕೊಡುವವ ನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತ ನಿಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ